Okay, welcome, 244 subscribers. Today, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed and like this video. Today, we're going to do some review for our geometry test that's next block. Prior to that, I just want to show you, this weekend, I went thrift shopping with my mom because all the clothes I have are heritage stuff, literally everything. And I was like, I should probably find some shirts to wear to school that are not heritage, not spirit wear. So look, this is the first piece from my, I'm gonna show you one piece every day from my thrift shop collection. We're gonna call it Unique Thrift Shop Thanksgiving 2021, okay? This is the first piece, okay? It's absolutely amazing. It says O'Connell Cross Country on it. But like, what's great about it is that one, it's my favorite piece because I went to O'Connell. And two, I thought, I'm just gonna wear it around. People are gonna think I have a kid that goes to O'Connell. No, I came in today, everyone kept asking me, oh my gosh, do you coach at O'Connell? Are you a cross country coach at O'Connell? No, I'm not. But I think from now on, I'm just gonna say yes. What do you guys think about that? Like, who buys, what?
Isn't that still spirit wear though?
Yes, but I mean, it's blue and white. Like if it didn't say O'Connell on it, it's just an Adidas shirt. Freaking awesome.
I thought it was a Tusky cross country shirt before.
Oh no, it is Tusky colors.
I was like, why are you wearing?
That's a problem. All right, we'll work on that. We'll work on that. All right, so today, geometry review. I've picked some problems similar to our test. We're gonna start with simplifying a ratio. So feet and inches. How many inches are in a foot? 12. Okay. So in order to simplify these ratios, so we have 4 problems here. We're gonna do number 4. We have to make sure that the units are the same. What did I just say?
Make sure the units are the same.
Yes, before we can start. So it's much easier to take the bigger unit and chop it up into the smaller unit. So here we have inches and we also have feet. So it's gonna be easier to take our feet and chop it up into inches. So how many inches is equal to 2 feet? All right, so let's just rewrite this ratio as 24 inches, and everyone's writing this down, over 50 inches. But see, now the units are the same, so they can just cancel. And then, how did I teach you how to simplify a fraction? Y'all remember? Type it in Desmos, and then push this little button right here. Boom, simplified fraction. 12 to 25. And you can write that 2 different ways. Where am I at? Where can I find? Here, okay. You can write it as a fraction, 12 over 25, or you can write it as a ratio with a colon. These mean the exact same thing. Questions? Problem on your test is just like it. Good? Next one, solving the proportion. So we all know how to cross multiply and divide. However, this one has an x plus 1, and we have to be careful about that because in every numerator and every denominator, there are parentheses, even though they are not written there. So there's parentheses around that x plus 1. So when we cross multiply it by the 10, we have to distribute the 10. 10 times quantity, x plus 1, equals 4 times 5. I'm just gonna write 20. Now, yes, we could distribute the 10 and go from there, but it's probably easier to divide both sides by 10 right now. If you distributed the 10, you'd get the same answer, but I like doing less work. I don't know about you guys. 20 divided by 10 is 2. Now we're just solving. Let me know if I make a mistake. I don't want America to see my mistakes. You know, oh my gosh, I forgot my Santa hat. The next question is, Helming, are you going to be wearing a Santa hat every day until break? The answer is yes. I have like 6 different hats. I want like as many colors as possible. Excellent. Okay. So we doing? Are we good on number 7? Geometric mean? Gotta remember we're multiplying the two numbers and taking the square root. Probably the easiest thing to do here is to multiply 4 times 25 because that's 100. And this is a nice one because the square root of 100 is a perfect square, so that's just 10. If it was not a perfect square, what would you do? We would simplify this radical by finding the largest perfect square that went into this number and taking the square root and pulling it out. We've done a lot of that. Maybe we'll do one of those in a minute. I want to do 2 more problems for my video. All right, we got a problem just like this. These are tough for a lot of people because it's just new. It's not like it's hard, it's just new. Anything that's new is difficult. So the perimeter of a rectangular cornfield is 440 meters. So perimeter means the length around it, like if you're building a fence to go around a house, okay? It's measured with like a ruler, it's length. So the ratio for the length to the width is 7 to 4. Now we don't know what number we're multiplying the 7 and the 4 by, but 7 times that number, plus 4 times that number, plus 7 times that number, plus 4 times that number, adds up to 440. So rather than try to guess what that number is, we're just going to make an X. And say that 2 4x's, and I'll just write 4x plus 4x rather than 2 4x's, because whatever, plus 2 7x's adds up to 440. Now how many x's is that? So this is 14, 18, 18, 22. Someone tell me if I make a mistake. I haven't done these problems. Trent, are you checking my work?
It's 22.
Excellent. All right, so 22 goes into 44 twice. So this is going to be 20, right?
Yes.
Thank you. So x is 20. Did you guys get x is 20?
Yeah.
Okay, once you get the value for x, you have to make sure you answer the question. The question says, it's not asking the value of x, it's asking for the length and the width of the field. So we have to take this x and plug it back in here and here to find the length and to find the width. And then we're done. So we got 7 times 20. I should write the length equals 7 times 20. 7 times 2 is 14, so this is 140. And what are the units? Inches? No, meters. Meters. The length is 140 meters. And the width is 4 times 20. That's 80 meters. And that means that 140 plus 140 plus 80 plus 80 should add up to 440. How are we doing? One more problem? Is this getting easier? Y'all are quiet. I know it's the first day back from break and first block. The angles of a triangle are in the extended ratio 4 to 7 to 9. What's the measure of each angle? All right, that means 4 times some number. This is 7 times some number. And this is 9 times some number. And when we add them all up, what's the sum of all the interior angles of any triangle?
180.
Okay. So how many x's is that?
20.
What's 180 divided by 20?
9.
All right, thanks guys. So x is 9, so now we just have to plug our 9 back in to get the measure of each of those angles. So 4 times 9, 7 times 9, 9 times 9.
7 times 9 is 63.
Oh shoot, thanks. And then we want to check all these numbers. I should put degree signs. All right. Helping can't multiply. 36 plus 63 plus 81, does that add up to 180? And it should. We good? I think it's the end of my video. I only made one mistake. All right, thanks for coming out. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope that you enjoy my thrift shop collection. You will be seeing one piece every day, so make sure you come back because I'm sure you're gonna wanna see my entire unique thrift shop Thanksgiving 2021 collection. I'm sure. I think it's a reason. I think people will come back to see my thrift shop collection, don't you? Aren't you excited to see what I'm gonna wear tomorrow?
Oh, quick question. What about the back of the sheet?
What about the what?
Back of the sheet.
We'll get there.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna stop my video.
Oh, okay.
We'll do whatever problems you wanna do. All right, peace out.